everyone, welcome to my channel Content Crafts. Lynn here. How's everyone doing? I hope you're all well. So today I'm popping on to share my creation for the Alphabet Challenge 2024 hosted by Hilary at Pink Bubble Cards. So Hilary picked out the letter F for form of felt. So this is my creation, and it is this fabulous foam flower. So I have created it using two different colour foams. So I used this light pink one, and then I went for a darker one. I also used a stencil, and what I did was I drew around two of the flowers from the stencil, cut them out, and then I've taken this little bauble type thing on a little wire, and I popped that into the middle, and then I've put my three smaller flowers around this and glued it with my glue gun, and then I went for the larger flowers and popped those around the outside. Then I've added some leaves onto that, and I also added another piece of wire in. I just joined it onto this wire here, and then I wrapped my florist tape around, and yeah, that is my creation. How fabulous is that? So yeah, this is my creation for the Alphabet Challenge 2024 hosted by Hilary at Pink Bubble Cards. So thank you ever so much for joining me today. If you have enjoyed this video, please would you consider giving me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. I will be ever so grateful for this, and thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, take care, see you all soon, and bye bye for now.